You are the God who keeps in perfect peace all those who trust in you. You're the true vine, and I will bear much fruit if I remain in you. You open seas for the righteous, and you always move the way for them. You wake me up in the morning when the day is new. You're such a friend. In every moment, every season, you remain the only reason why I stand on my feet undefeated. Only to God I pledge my allegiance. I learned more about your love in Ephesians. I see you all over Philippines. You're the God who stretched your hand out when the world refused to see us. Jesus, I need you the most now. You're the only one I see. I'm tired of racing the wind now. I've run out of apologies. I rejoice in knowing you, Lord.